So over here on the top, you can see that there are a bunch of tabs right here, which I can use to access different tools. But there may be certain tools that you use more than often, and for that you can create a separate custom ribbon as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and right click anywhere around over here on the ribbon area, and then over here you can see that I can go around and click on customize the ribbon. So once I do that, the project options open up, as you can see right here, and you can also access the project options by going on to the file menu and by clicking on options that you see right here. So once you go around over here, you can see customize ribbon is an option right here. So let me just go around, and over here on the right hand side, you can see that there are main tabs right here which are enabled. Then you can see that a developer tab is there which is not enabled. You can go around and enable and press OK, and now you can see the developer tab over here just like this as well. You can also go around and create a custom tab with custom tools. So for that, I'm going to right click and click on customize the ribbon right here, and once I do that, I'm going to go around and click on new tab. So once I do that, I can go around over here and then rename out this tab to, let's say for example, TutorTube, and press OK. So TutorTube tab is here. So once I do this over here, you can see that I can rename out a group as well. So you can choose an icon for the group right here, and then you can go around and rename out this group right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say common tools right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around, say common tools. So once that is done, you can also go around and click on new group right here, and then you can go around and right click and rename this right here just like this, and select, let's say for example, something like this, and say, let's say for example, favorites right here just like this. So now you can go under the popular commands right here, as you can see, or you can go around onto, let's say, file tab, and let's say all tab right here, main tab right here, and then access out different tools from here. So you can go around over here onto, let's say, the main tabs right here, and from the task you can go around and bring in, let's say, insert around over here. So you can go around, click and drag it under the common tools, or you can go around and select it and add it from over here. You can go around under, let's say for example, project, and go to insert and select out, let's say, favorites, and add it right over here just like this. You can go around and remove it over here as well. You can go around onto view and go around onto, let's say, task views, and then add it over here in under common tools as well, and press OK. So once you do that, a custom tab that is TutorTube is created, as you can see right here, and you see that the task views are there, the insert is there, and the schedule is there, as you can see, according to how I selected them out. So that is how you can go around and create a custom ribbon inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.